Once you have identified the initiatives you plan to continue and support, you need to develop a plan for progress monitoring your initiatives on a regular basis. First, you need to decide the frequency you will check the progress of your initiatives. Using Handout 2.1, Progress Monitoring, you're going to record the initiative. You're going to figure out what the frequency is that you're going to monitor. You're going to figure out what source of data that you're going to use to measure progress. And finally, you're going to identify the goals or benchmarks that you're going to use to measure your data against to see if there's growth. For example, if you were looking at Cornell Notes with the expectation that there would be constant and immediate improvements according to the research that supports Cornell Notes, we may elect to evaluate the program every 9 weeks. If you already have an assessment in place that will show an improvement that would be expected to be present in that data, then you would want to use that assessment. Schools are already assessment heavy environment, so definitely try to use what you already have in place if possible. And then finally, we would want to see regular progress. These goals are tricky to set, but look at the research around the initiative as well as your staff's knowledge and experience around the initiative to help establish reasonable goals. Now, this process that we just showed a mere example, again, we're not saying that this is how you would actually evaluate Cornell Notes. That would be something you'd have to look at in a school-by-school situation. But you would simply just take each initiative and you would basically set goals. And this isn't something you necessarily would do on your own. You could do this with your leadership team, or you could do it in some type of work shop within your teacher staff, because you want this to be as accurate as possible, and also you want to generate some staff buy-in and support.